Welcome to Salika Mag. How to make pointed hem draped overlap t-shirt. Today's tutorial is about this t-shirt. So if you are first time here, just don't forget to subscribe the subscribe channel. See, this is how this t-shirt is in two parts. One is down, and then there is a overlap on this, and you can make this from two colors, and so you can give it a different look. Actually you need a total length for this design. You can even make the full dress if you want, or even you can make a baya from this same pattern. So length of dresses depend if you are making t-shirt or you can make full dress. So we need a basic pattern. This is the basic pattern. If you don't know how to make this basic pattern, you can check in my playlist how to make a basic pattern. I give all instruction there. And this basic pattern is still here length, so but we will increase a little more because there is a pointed shape. And for taking the fabric is also a different way, so I will explain you how you can cut the fabric. So first I am going to make this pointed shape part, the down part, this one. So for this I will trace my basic pattern, but then I will increase the length and then make here a shape. So just let me quickly draw this, and after that we will cut this part and I will show you how you can cut on the fabric. Guys, if any question you can ask me in comment section, and please, if you like this video, just hit the like button. It will really help me to make more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. See there, that's how I'm going to make my pointed shape. It depends how long you want your dress. For example, till here you want, so make here a shape. Better I will go a little down, so till here my shape is complete, and that's how it is pointed shape. But you can see in the design there is some draping sort of effect. So for that we will take our fabric in angled shape, angle folding. I will show you how you can do that, and see, that's how something it will look. And this is the down part. The other part we will cut it later. So now I'm going to make the pattern for this up draping part, and for that also I'm going to use my basic pattern first, and after that I will increase this draping part according to the desired look. So for this draping length is a little less than that pointed shape part, as you can see in the design. So now I'm just marking here. Now you can increase from here, starting from here, and it also depends how much drape actually you want. And for this see, I'm just doubling it, means the other side of the pattern also. So almost till here I need my drape, but you can increase this with more if you want the more fall on your t-shirt. So basically that will all will go in the falls. And for this the selection of fabric is very important. You must need a fabric that should be draped well. So maybe the stretchable fabric is a more suitable option for this knit fabric. And see, or otherwise chiffon and all these things you can achieve different looks, but for a t-shirt obviously you need knit fabric. So that's how it will going to attach here. And see, this up part is a little wider than this shoulder. So after that here the gathers will come, and we will attach it with our basic basic part of our t-shirt. So now let me show you how you can cut these two parts on the fabric. because these all two are different ways. So let me start the cutting of the fabric. See, that's how it will stitch after cutting. Or other side, if you it depend that you want this to attach the left side or right side. So according to that you can cut your this up part for the draping part. So also make your neckline as much wide as you want, and then after that attach your this draping part with your t-shirt part. Hope till here you understand. So now I will show you how you can cut on your fabric. Actually I take two different color of fabric, so in this way you can make a different style, but you can use the same colors and same fabric. So it all depends that how you want your design. So usually we take fabric something like this, but here I'm going to make it take it in a angled shape. So let me show you on the paper. See, usually we take our fabric to join selvage with the selvage. We fold it like this, but here we are going to fold it in a angle shape like this. Okay, and then we will place our pattern on this. So I just fold my fabric in angle by shape, and after that I will place my this pointed shape pattern on here, and just let me cut it quickly. And guys, if you missed the abaya making course, you can check in my playlist. I already uploaded 5 classes there, different styles, you can check. And also I have a playlist especially for beginners. So see, this is the pointed shape, and after that now I'm going to cut the draping part. See, that's how the fall will come, because we cut it in the angle shape. So you will get all these draping effect. So now this is our up part, and I'm going to cut this on a different color fabric, so you can see the and see here we need the fabric only in one fold, I mean no fold. So that's how you will cut your pattern. And how much fall you want, you can cut that much wider. So draping how much down it should go, so you can increase the width of your this fabric cutting, and otherwise just double of your basic pattern is enough. So it's all depend that what look actually you want. So let me cut here, and then I will show you how you can join. You have to join actually the shoulder with the shoulder, and after that shoulder with the shoulder after gathering here, and side obviously with the side, and this tail part you have to join with the other shoulder, this here. So I have this cotton, this don't have any draping effect, but obviously when you will work on drap the fabric that has a good drap, you will get that same effect. Hope you understand till here. If any question, any doubt, you can ask me. And here you can get all these falls. And sorry guys for my background music, kids are very active at this time, but anyways your feedback is very important for me. Thank you for watching this video, and just hit a like button if you like. If you don't like, hit dislike, no problem. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.